Welcome, friends, to the most vibrant jungle you've ever seen. Let's listen to the rhythm of the wild. Listen closely, for the rhythm of the jungle holds ancient secrets. Secrets I am about to reveal. If you listen closely to the jungle drums, they whisper the location of the greatest adventure.
Deep in the heart of the jungle live the happiest monkey you've ever seen.
Wee-hoo! Look at all these delicious fruits. It's a buffet in the sky. So juicy. Sticky hands, happy tummy. And bananas, my favorite. La 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 la. I love my tree. This is the best life ever. Hi, friends. Do you like fruits too? I thought so.
Hi, friends. Do you like fruits too?
Ooh, who's there?
Hello up there. I'm Crocodile. I live in this river.
Oh my! Is your tummy hungry? Catch this!
Catch this.
Wow! This is amazing! So sweet! Thank you, friend.
And just like that, Monkey and Crocodile became the best of friends. Every day, Monkey would share his yummy fruits, and they would talk and laugh together.
Where have you been all day
Sorry,
long?
dear.
I've been...
I was with my friend Monkey. He shares the most delicious fruits with me.
Wait. Monkey eats sweet fruits every single day? Then his heart must be the sweetest thing in the whole jungle. I must have it.
Bring me that monkey's heart.
What? But he's my friend.
I don't care. Get it now, or no dinner for you.
Hey, Monkey. Beautiful day, isn't it? Yes. Hi, friend. Want some fruits?
Actually, how about you come with me today? I want to show you my home. You can meet my wife. Hop on my back.
Really? An adventure? Fun! Let's go! Whee! This is exciting.
Monkey, I have to tell you something.
What's wrong, friend? Why did you stop?
My wife. She wants to eat your heart.
My heart!
Kids, Monkey is in big trouble. He's in the middle of the river. What can he do? But wait, Monkey is very clever. Watch what he does.
What? What? What's wrong?
Oh dear friend, I have a HUD problem.
What is it?
I left my heart back on the tree.
You? What?
Yes, we monkeys don't carry our hearts around. We keep them safe at home.
Yes, we monkeys don't carry our hearts around. We keep them safe at home.
Mine is hanging on a branch right now. We must go back and get it.
Really? I didn't know that. Let's go get your heart.
Oh, kids, Monkey is being very clever.
Okay, go get your heart.
Hurry up, monkey. Where is it?
Silly crocodile.
My heart is right here, inside me, where it always is.
What? You tricked me?
You tried to hurt your friend. That was very wrong. Never listen to greedy ideas. Goodbye.
You're right. I'm so sorry.
Bye-bye, friends. Remember, be clever, be kind, be brave.
We did it, everyone! What an amazing adventure!